You may wonder, why am I in a bar today? Well, I used to be a bartender for many years, from the smaller venues to the very big sport events, with some highlights at the Formula 1 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix and the Champions League finals in Berlin. And during all these events across the globe, I saw many bar tricks, many bar bets that you can do. And today I will share the top 5 that I have seen, so that each time you're in a bar, you can win some drinks from your friends. Let's go. The first bar bet that I'm going to share with you involves 6 glasses and a drink of your choice. In this case today, we will go with a nice bottle of rosé. So we're going to take 6 glasses in total. Now that you have 6 glasses in front of you, you're going to pour the drink that you selected into 3 of the glasses on the same side. So I'm going to start here on the right side of mine, and I'm going to pour the rosé basically into the first 3 glasses. When you have completed this task, it's going to be very simple. You're going to challenge somebody that the order of the glasses need to be full, empty, full, empty, full, empty. And you can only do that by moving and touching one glass. That's it. So just try to get it into the right order by only moving and touching one glass. Good luck. The solution to this bar bet is very simple. Maybe you already had a few glasses because you didn't find a way how to do it, but it's very simple. You're gonna take this glass in the middle, because this is the one you're gonna touch and move. And you cannot touch the rest, and you can also not move the rest, so there's only one solution. And it's very simple. You just pour the wine into the other glass, just like this. Make sure it's nice and empty, and then you place it back. Nothing more, nothing less, very simple, and they have the order full, empty, full, empty, full, empty. That's it. Yesterday, I received some tip while working at the bar, and that was actually exactly 50 cents by having 10 coins of 5 cents. And with those 10 coins, we can do a very clever bar bet. What you need to do is you need to make an arrow. And the arrow is constructed out of a row of 4 coins, then a row of 3 coins, then a row of 2 coins, and then a single one on top. And now the arrow points in this direction. And it's the challenge to move only 3 coins and make the arrow point the other direction. So try to move 3 coins and make sure the arrow points that way. Good luck. The solution to this challenge is more simple than you think, but you need to follow the right order. So with the arrow pointing in this direction, you need to start with the row of 4, because here you're going to take the outer 2 coins and you're going to put them on the row of 2. So basically the row of 4 loses 2 coins and you're going to place them on the row of 2 over there. And then you can already see what needs to be done. It's that last one that you need to swivel around to the other side, and the arrow points this way. It's simple as that. For the next bar bet, you need an empty bottle, this one, a simple bill, in this case I have the 10 euros, and you need a stack of coins. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the bill on top of the glass, and on top of that you're gonna place the pile of coins. And we're gonna do it as simply as this. So now you see you have the coins, the bill, and the bottle. You have to extract the bill from in between the coins and the bottle without touching the coins and the bottle. You can only touch the 10 euro bill. So try to extract it and let's see if those coins stay on top. The solution to this bar bet is very simple, and you already see me pointing because this is the trick to winning the bet. What you need to do is you take your finger, you make sure to lick it, keep it that way, and you're gonna hit on one of the 2 sides of the bill, but do it on the other edge. Because most people try to take the bill like this, but you need to hit it very fast and quick, and then the coins will stay on top of the bottle. When you won the bar bet, everything is fine, but I can tell you, even though you practice, sometimes the coins will fall off the top of the glass because it is just a matter of perfect speed and timing, and sometimes it's just a bit slippery. So just make sure that when you fail and the coins drop off, you have another trick up your sleeve, which I'm going to explain to you. Make sure to remove the money. put that all back into your pocket. And before you tell the person that you're gonna pay the drink for him because you unfortunately lost, you do this. You have the bottle and you're gonna take an empty bag, place the bottle all the way into the bag, make sure to have the cap of the bottle, and now the most interesting part, make sure to fill it in 1, 2, 3. And as simple as that, you can see the bottle is completely filled up from the bottom. And I know they might say that something might be here, but that's not the case. And in order to celebrate this, you open the bottle and you take a nice sip. The trickiest barbet out of the top 5 is this one. And what you need for it are 2 coasters, a nice glass, but make sure to use one that's nice and round and it's not like very long, just a little bit like this, the small bowl shape and then this height. And then you make sure to have an olive or some other round food like a berry or anything like this. When you have that, the challenge is very simple. You need to move the olive from this coaster to that coaster with the use of the glass. But you cannot move the coasters, so you cannot shift one to the other. They can move a little bit on their spot, but not that much. Furthermore, the olive is not allowed to touch the table at all, so that also cannot be done. And you can only touch the glass. You cannot touch the coasters, you cannot touch the olive, only the glass, and the olive needs to be on the other coaster. Good luck with trying this challenge. The solution to this barbet is something that you need to practice a little bit. What you need to do is you need to place the glass over the olive and make a rotating movement, because most of you probably have tried to scoop it, but that's not gonna work. You need to place it over it, rotate it so that the olive gets this centrifuge rotation inside the glass, and then you move it to the other coaster and put it on top of it. It's simple as that. So just bear with me here. You're gonna rotate the olive into the glass and then place it nicely over here. And now you see that without touching the olive, without touching the coasters, and only by using the glass, you have moved the olive from the first one to the other one. As simple as that. And some practice definitely makes this one perfect. For the next barbet, you need the tube of a toilet paper roll. And the challenge is that you drop it from roughly ½ a meter above the table, and you drop it and it needs to land like this. It can of course bounce a little bit, but the end result should be a tube standing up like this. You get 5 times to drop it from this height, and then you must succeed in having it on the table like this. Good luck. Most of you have probably already tried this more than 5 times, but that's okay, because I make the assumption that you are probably dropping it on a vertical way, just like this. And then the chances of this being a success is almost close to 0, because when it comes on the table, it automatically flips away. And that's why it doesn't work. You need to do some reverse thinking here. If you know if you land it like this, it ends like this, then maybe you should drop it from like this so that it ends like that. And that's exactly the way you should do it. So you're going to keep it horizontally, roughly about the same height. And also this does not have a 100% success rate, so I mostly need a few tries, but today, as you can see, it lands perfectly. So drop it from this height and then make sure to get it in the right way. I have one additional bonus trick that I would like to share with you. And it's really my favorite, because each time I see it, I have to laugh so hard, because it's stupid and very clever at the same time. You see a shot glass here, that's what you need for this one, together with a drink of your choice. I go with the rosé today, because otherwise I'm gonna have a very hard second part of the day. You pour it in there, and now comes the fun part. You're gonna take a glass that is not see-through, or for example, a wine cooler, and you're gonna place it over the shot glass. The challenge is that I need to make sure that the drink that is in there is gone without touching the glass that you placed over the other glass. As simple as that. And you may wonder, how are you going to do that? I will tell you by now. It's done. I have removed the drink from the glass. You don't believe me? And then the reaction from the crowd is, I really don't believe it. Then have a look. They remove the bin, they put it away, and they see that it's still there. And then they say, yeah, it's there. No, but wait. You just take it, drink it, and the best part is, you didn't touch it, but it's empty. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned some interesting bar bets and tricks today. And the next time you get into a bar, make sure to win those drinks from your friends and family. But remember, never pull off the same trick twice, because then the people will know. Have fun with the tricks, make sure you win those bets, and next time you see me, just remember that you owe me one.